Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things and I've tried to provide you the knowledge about how to make your career, how to build your career. And right now in my career awareness series, there are so many videos there. In that videos, I have tried to give you that prior knowledge how to make your resume, what are the things you need to say in an interview, what are the things you don't need to say in an interview, how to face an HR round, okay, and how you can prove yourself as a smart candidate. Okay, so right now I'm going to give you an idea about how to become a job ready programmer. So people sometimes ask me how to become a programmer. It goes little bit like this: I have built my own website and played with JavaScript and Python. Okay, so how do I become a programmer? Guys, you need to understand, if you have done this first up, if you have done those things, you already are a programmer. So what people really want to know is how to get paid for writing code. So right now I'm going to discuss with you about it. Okay, so at first the thing is, learn the code. Let's say you have never made a website to written a line of code in your life. Then where do you start? Despite what one job adverts say, you do not need a degree in computer science. Almost every programmer I have met is self-taught to some degree. Okay, even the ones who do have computer science degrees admit that most of what they use in their work was learned through practice. So build a portfolio. Learning a language is only a small part of being a programmer. To really learn a code, you need to write some software. Don't spend time on daydreaming up the perfect project. Just start with something simple and work from there. The following some ideas I'm going to talk about for starting points. The first one is a personal website. The second one is a to-do app. Perhaps write a twist, a web mashup app. Okay, so perhaps using the Instagram API or recipe manager. Okay, it really doesn't matter what you start and with, because as soon as you start a project, more ideas will come. You will build experience, and as you gain a foothold in a language and ecosystem, so you will build up to more advanced projects. So apply for jobs. The next step is to start applying for jobs. You are not going to get hired straight away as a senior developer, but seek to get hired for something that brings you closer to your goal. A good starting point is to apply for roles at smaller software companies. These don't necessarily need to be on the development teams. I know people who have started out in office roles, but as transition into development by making connections with programmers. So guys, let's start finding the right job. Rinse and repeat. The steps I have described about are the part of a critical process. Okay, a cyclical process. Programmers are constantly learning. They need to be in order to keep on top technology. Programmers are constantly learning. They need to be in order to keep on top of the technologies development and solve problems. I have been through these steps 1 and 3 many times. That means if you have gone through all those steps, you are already a programmer. Okay, you will learn new languages and technologies. Start from the projects, build your portfolio and experience and progress of more senior roles. So guys, these are the things. If you wanted to be a programmer right now, a job ready programmer, you need to learn all those things, and you need to keep focusing on your work as your skill set. If you're if you wanted to be a programmer, if you know how to write down code, that means you're already a programmer. So you don't need to do something else to be a programmer, because hands-on experience is the most important thing that you have. So kindly do one thing, just upskill yourself and try to make yourself more efficient in an organization. So this is for now, guys. In my another session, I'm going to talk about another topics. I will come up with another different topics. So right now, bye, and stay safe, stay healthy. Always try to make others happy and be happy. Be a happy person, and can you subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment below. So bye for now.